Passive income, it's the dream, right? You create something once and it keeps earning, day after day, month after month, whether you're asleep, traveling, or just living life on your own terms. But here's the truth. Passive income is no longer reserved for the rich, the tech-savvy, or the ultra-lucky. Because in 2025, AI tools are unlocking that dream for everyday people. From creating content to designing digital products, launching faceless YouTube channels, and building online businesses, you can now automate more than ever, with less time, less money, and less experience. So today, we're diving into 10 AI tools that make passive income not just possible, but easy in 2025. These are tools you can start using right now to build income streams that keep working even when you don't. Ready? Let's go. 1. ChatGPT. Your AI brain for content creation. First up is the one you probably already know. ChatGPT by OpenAI. But don't underestimate it. In 2025, ChatGPT has evolved into more than just a chatbot. It's a content creation machine. Here's what you can do with it. Write blog posts that rank on Google Generate eBooks to sell on Gumroad. Create scripts for YouTube videos or online courses. Write newsletters, emails, ad copy, even full social media calendars. Want to sell digital planners? Use ChatGPT to generate prompts and content. Want to create a How to Start a Freelance Business ebook? ChatGPT will outline it, draft it, and format it. Pair it with Canva or design software, and you're ready to sell. This tool alone can help you launch multiple passive income streams without hiring writers, spending weeks drafting, or paying for expensive freelancers. 2. Midjourney. Create and sell AI art. Coming in strong at number 2 is Midjourney, an AI art generator that turns written prompts into stunning visuals. And guess what? These visuals aren't just pretty, they're profitable. People are using Midjourney to create and sell printable wall art on Etsy coloring books for kids or adults, AI avatars or profile packs, t-shirt designs for print on demand, book covers for Kindle or Gumroad, tarot cards, posters, and journal pages. Midjourney gives you unlimited potential to create digital products people want, and they sell 24/7 with no inventory or shipping. Once you've got your products, upload them to marketplaces like Redbubble, Gumroad, or Etsy, and let them do the selling for you. You build it once. AI helps you design it, and customers come to you. 3. Pictory. Build a faceless YouTube channel. Let's be real. Not everyone wants to show their face on camera. That's where Pictory comes in. Pictory lets you create high-quality YouTube videos using only text. You drop in your script, or even just a blog post, and it automatically builds a video with stock footage, captions, background music, AI voiceovers, scene transitions. If you've ever dreamed of running a faceless YouTube channel, talking about tech, finance, self-improvement, health, or entertainment, this is the tool that makes it real. Once your videos are uploaded and monetized, you can earn through YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, digital product promotions, sponsored segments. And because the content is evergreen, it can keep getting views, clicks, and income long after you hit publish. 4. ElevenLabs. Next-level AI voiceovers. Want your content to sound polished, professional, and human, even if you never speak a word. ElevenLabs is the most realistic AI voice generation tool on the market right now. It produces studio-quality audio with dozens of voices, accents, and tones. You can even clone your own voice if you want. Here's where this becomes passive income gold. Use ElevenLabs to narrate audiobooks and sell them on Audible. Create podcast episodes from written scripts. Voice YouTube videos made in Pictory or with stock footage. Make language learning content or guided meditations. You combine ChatGPT plus ElevenLabs, and boom, you've got a full voiceover product in a few hours. Then you upload it to platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even Spotify and let it sell itself. 5. Canva Magic Studio. AI-powered design for digital products. You've probably heard of Canva, but in 2025, Canva has leveled up with its Magic Studio, a suite of AI tools that do everything from writing copy to removing backgrounds and generating brand kits. This is perfect for selling social media templates, making resume templates or business cards, creating journals, planners, or printable workbooks, building lead magnets for affiliate marketing. The Magic Design feature lets you input an idea and get a full layout in seconds. Magic. Write creates sales copy, product descriptions, and even social captions. In other words, Canva is now your full-service design and content assistant, and it works beautifully with other tools on this list. 6. Koala.sh. SEO blog content that ranks. Want passive income from a blog or niche site, but don't want to spend weeks writing content? Meet Koala.sh, an SEO-focused AI writer built specifically for bloggers and affiliate marketers. It creates long-form articles optimized for ranking on Google. So you can build a niche site around travel, tech, parenting, or finance. Use Koala to create dozens of high-quality posts monetized through display ads like Ezoic or Mediavine, affiliate links, or email signups. Once your site starts getting traffic, the income becomes automated. And here's the kicker. You can launch multiple niche sites with different angles, each generating a few $100s a month. That adds up fast. 7. Replit Ghostwriter. Code your own app or SaaS. This one's for the tech dreamers. Replit, an online coding platform, has an AI assistant called Ghostwriter that helps you build apps without knowing advanced programming. Want to create a budgeting calculator, a productivity tracker, a writing prompt generator, a niche scheduling tool? You can use Ghostwriter to generate the code, troubleshoot it, and launch your own micro SaaS product. Then sell monthly subscriptions, offer lifetime access, or run in-app ads. Build it once and keep earning as users sign up. 8. Leonardo.ai. Assets for games, design, and 3D worlds. Gaming, virtual worlds, and immersive media are booming in 2025, and Leonardo.ai gives creators the power to generate game sprites, 3D textures, icons, user interfaces, backgrounds, NFT-style characters. You can sell these assets on marketplaces like Unity Asset Store, Unreal Engine Marketplace, or even your own Shopify store. Game developers, streamers, and metaverse builders are always hunting for quality assets. If you love digital art and want a unique niche, Leonardo plus Midjourney is a powerful combo. 9. Opus Clip. Repurpose content into viral shorts. You know all those 15-second reels, TikToks, and shorts going viral? Opus Clip takes your long-form videos, like podcasts or YouTube episodes, and automatically creates viral, engaging short clips. It finds the best moments, adds dynamic captions, zooms, and edits them to match the short-form style we all scroll daily. Here's the opportunity. Repurpose your own content. Offer this as a service, automated. Grow your following faster. Drive traffic to monetized videos or websites. The more clips you make, the more reach you get. And with the right CTA, that turns into automated income. 10. Gumroad. Sell anything, automatically. And finally, the engine that powers it all. Gumroad. Whether you're selling an ebook from ChatGPT, templates from Canva, art from Midjourney, or a full course from Pictory Plus 11 Labs, Gumroad makes it effortless. You set up your product once, upload it, set a price. Gumroad handles payments, file delivery, affiliate tracking, email follow-ups. It's the easiest way to turn your AI-powered creations into real money. And in 2025, thousands of creators are earning anywhere from $100 a month to $100,000 plus with fully automated Gumroad storefronts. So, let's recap. Here are the 10 AI tools that are changing the passive income game in 2025. ChatGPT. Content creation. Midjourney, digital art, and printables. Pictory, Faceless, YouTube videos, 11 Labs, AI voiceovers, Canva, Magic Studio, templates and visual products, Koala, SH, SEO, blog automation, Replit, Ghostwriter, build your own apps, Leonardo.ai, game and 3D asset generation, Opus Clip, viral short-form video editing, Gumroad, sell everything you create. These tools aren't just helpful, they're game changers. They let you build income with speed, scale, and smarts, instead of burning out doing everything by hand. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here, and the people who leverage it early will build income streams that keep earning while they sleep.